Hi. Today I am going to discuss AI technology, its pros and cons with you. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think and act like humans. These systems are trained to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. There are several different approaches to AI, including machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. Machine learning is a method of teaching computers to learn from data, without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses multi-layered artificial neural networks to model and solve complex problems. Neural networks are a set of algorithms modeled on the structure and functions of the human brain. One of the primary goals of AI research is to create systems that can automatically improve with experience. This involves feeding vast amounts of data into the AI system, allowing it to learn patterns and make predictions or decisions based on that data. Applications of AI technology are widespread and diverse, including natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, robotics, and gaming. In NLP, AI is used to analyze, understand, and generate human language. Computer vision involves the use of AI to analyze and interpret images and videos. Robotics utilizes AI to design and develop robots that can perform tasks autonomously. AI is also used in gaming to create intelligent characters that can respond to player actions in real time. However, despite its many benefits, AI also raises important ethical and societal concerns. For example, the increasing use of AI in decision-making processes raises questions about accountability and transparency. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential displacement of jobs and the impact of AI on privacy and security. To ensure that AI technology is developed and used responsibly, there is a growing movement towards responsible AI practices. This involves developing AI systems that are transparent, fair, and accountable, and that respect ethical and legal standards. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Bye.